Hi everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel and I am Naveen, and today this is a good opportunity for freshers from Pfizer based at Visakhapatnam. So these are freshers job opening. If you're a fresher looking for a job opportunity, so don't skip this video. So let us see the complete details in this video. And guys, if you haven't subscribed yet to our channel, do subscribe now and let us see the details. And these are vacancies for freshers with a diploma in pharmacy or diploma in chemical 2023 and 2024 passed out candidates. Coming to the job description, so they are looking for operators in production injectable department. So operate production equipment such as injectable machines, sterile machines, parenteral formulation machines, and filling machines, capping, compounding, washing machines, and sealing machines. And so monitor and control production process, maintain accurate records of production data, and perform routine maintenance tasks on equipment as required. So this is the detailed job description regarding the vacancy. Then the next question you may get is how to apply for the job opportunity. So after watching this video, if you have any doubts regarding how to apply, that I have said after this conversation, you can ask in the comment section so that I will be able to clarify your doubts. Then how to apply for this job is simple. You need to scan the QR code which is provided in this video, or you can directly share your mail ID to the HR provided here. The HR mail ID is zabiulla.m @pfizer.com, and or you can also register using this QR code. So please utilize the opportunity, my dear friends. And this is a good company and good opportunity as it is a US based company. You will be having good future if you join this company with a diploma in pharmacy or diploma chemical. Thank you for watching. For more interesting job updates for freshers like this, subscribe to Pharma Job Alert YouTube channel.